Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we're going to be opening yet another box for YuGiOh Alliance Insight in lieu of the next set. So since the next set will stop containing 4th century secret rares, I thought let's open the last set that still can and see what we get. Also, it's a very cheap set comparatively because there's not a lot of value to be found. But maybe we will find the value that is there. It's not Argostar's Giant Slaying Foe. On to the next one. Let's see what I get. It's an elixir of the glorious golden land. Moving on. We find our first ultra rare, a Regenesis Lord. And that's it here. Let's see what we get in the next one. An Argostar's Giant Slaying. And on to the next one. Here we go. Where we have a Diabelis, the White Witch. And that's it. On to the next one. With an AI Connect. Next pack. Let's see what we get. A Replicat LED. And on to the next one. Ooh, it's a shiny, it's a Star Rysil secret rare. And on to the next one we go. Where we have another AI Connect. On to the next one. With a Wizard at Ignista. Pack number 11. We get a second ultra rare, Disaster, Dragon Ruler of all Apocalypses. And then pack number 12, which means we got the right side cleared out. A Red Ice Metal Claws Dragon. And that's it. Moving on to the left side. And pack number 13. Where we have a number 69 Heraldry Crest Dark Matter Demolition for ultra rare number 3 of the box. On to the next one we go. With a Malice in the Mirror. Very pretty. But that's about it. On to the next one. With an allied code talker at Ignista. Second secret rare here. Lovely. Moving on. We get an evil twin kissy kill deal. And that's it here. On to the next one. With a Mitsurugi no Mikoto Aramasa. On to the next one. With a live twin Lila Sweet. Ultra rare number 4. Let's see what else we get. Another evil twin kissy kill deal. As well as an abduction. And a poplar of the White Forest. 3 left to go. And we get another abduction, back to back. Second to last pack. Another evil twin kissy kill deal. We know that one already. And down to the last pack. Let's see what the last pack holds in store for us. It's another ultra rare, a spectral dragon ruler of flickers, which is very shiny. And that's it for the box. So, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you in the next one.